Hi there, students. In this video I wanted to look at restless and restive. Both of these are adjectives. You could have restlessly, restively as an adverb, and restlessness and restiveness as nouns as well. Okay, if somebody's restless, they can't sit still. Yeah, they're not able to rest, so you could have a restless night. Where, if somebody's restive, they are frustrated. They're unwilling to be controlled. They don't want to be patient. So the audience was kept waiting, and they started to become restive. Maybe if they were restless, they would be walking up and down the passage, yeah, or jumping up and down in their seats. So in many ways, restive and restless are synonyms, but they have slightly different angles. Yeah, if you're restive, you're frustrated because you've got to sit in a boring English class while it's a beautiful summer's day outside. Yeah, that might result in you being restless, but I think restive is more how you feel in your mind, whereas restless is the physical symptoms of that. Okay, so if you're restive, you're unable to be silent or submissive because you're bored, you're dissatisfied. The many people are becoming restive because of continual lockdowns. Yeah, they're fed up of obeying the rules. They're frustrated. You can also use restive of a horse when it suddenly refuses to move, or it moves backwards or sideways and it refuses to advance. So the horse became restive, and I wondered what was wrong with it. Okay, I'm very restive about this situation. Yeah, it makes me feel nervous, uneasy. I'm impatient about it. Young people get restive very easily. Sit still and don't move. They're bound to get restive, yeah, because they're pretty restless. They're always wanting to move around. So restive has this idea of being impatient because there's control or authority, and you're not able to do what you want. Yeah. So if people are restive, they're hard to control. They're unruly. Yeah. Okay, they're nervous and impatient because maybe they're under pressure, and they're probably restless at the same time. Yeah, he restlessly jumped up and down. He restlessly jogged his knee up and down. Yeah, he looked at me very restively. There is a great deal of restiveness about lockdowns. Yeah, whereas restless, I had a restless night. I couldn't rest. I was unable to rest, and I think that's the idea of these. So if you're restive, you're impatient because there's duress, there's control, yeah, and you want to be disobedient, recalcitrant, and rebellious. Okay, so how formal are these? Restive. I think I'd probably give it 6.5 to 7 in formality. Could you use it in an informal conversation? Maybe just. Restless is a little less formal. I think I'd give it 6, and restless, I think you can use it just about anywhere. Okay, and then as to origin, well, restless, yeah, comes from restless. You don't have rest. You're not able to rest, and literally that's the meaning. Restive comes from rest as well. Okay, this word rest comes from Proto-Germanic rasto, to rest, and Proto-Indo-European res, meaning rest as well. So that's quite clear. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Restive and restless.